Rhinos are one of the most iconic animals in the world. There are 5 species of rhino, 2 African black and white rhinos and 3 Asian greater one-horned Sumatran and Javan rhinos. They are huge. Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, but they can still weigh 600 kg, and white rhinos are the largest, weighing up to 3,500 kg. This is mighty impressive. They mainly eat grass and leaves. The names of black and white rhinos are misleading as both are actually grey. Male rhinos are called bulls and females are called cows. Their young are calves. Females tend to be more sociable than the more solitary territorial males. Together, a group of rhinos is called a crash. Rhino horn is made up of keratin, the same protein which comes from the bases of our hair and nails. Javan and greater one-horned rhinos only have one horn, whereas all the other rhino species have 2 horns. Their horns grow continuously during their lifetime. The white rhino's horn can grow 7 cm every year, and the record length is 150 cm long. Rhino's eyesight is not great. They are unable to see a motionless person at a distance of 30 meters. They mainly rely on their strong sense of smell. Rhinos make an array of funny noises when they are communicating. During confrontations, they growl and make trumpet calls. Black rhinos snort when they are angry, make sneeze-like calls as alarms, scream if they are scared. Rhinos also communicate through their poo and urine. When rhino poo in the same place as other rhinos, they can smell the poo and urine of other individuals and know who is in the area. Rhinos can often be seen rolling around in mud, giving themselves a protective mud coat to keep them cool, stop insects biting, and get rid of any parasites. Asian rhinos are also excellent swimmers, crossing rivers with ease, but their African relatives are very poor swimmers. African rhinos and ospicas, a type of bird, have a fascinating symbiotic relationship. The ospecker stands on the rhino's back and eats sticks and other insects that it finds on the rhino. Despite their weight and their bulk, rhinos move fast. They can run up to 30 to 40 miles per hour. Mother rhinos have a gestation period of 15 to 16 months. Rhinos can grow to be over 6 feet tall and more than 11 feet in length. That is big. Over 7,000 African rhinos have been killed by poaching in the last 10 years. That's around 2 every day. Poaching gangs are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Ground rhino horn is used in traditional Asian medicine to cure a range of ailments from cancer to hangovers, and the horn is seen as a status symbol, particularly in Vietnam. Habitat loss and fragmentation are an increasing threat to rhinos as human populations and infrastructure grows, encroaching on rhino habitat.